from Local 24 News, meteorologist Chelsea Chandler with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
We saw our fair share of that haze. We also had air quality alerts, so that makes sense. Right now, love, let's talk about what's going on here. 73 in Memphis, 68 in Dyersburg and Jackson. Cooler pretty much everywhere, just 70 or 68. That's a pretty popular number. So again, our dew points are very close to these numbers, so that's why we're seeing fog, while we have that dense fog advisory for Mississippi County, Arkansas, and then most of our West Tennessee counties. So if you encounter that fog, put your low beams on, use caution. It should expire by 8 o'clock. 77 at 9 o'clock by the afternoon, 88, which will feel like the low 90s. You can see we have a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. Rain chances about 20 to 30%, and it's mostly in the mid heating of the day. I have the sunflowers here just to remind you that they are in bloom, round one at least at the Agri Center. Round two comes the first week of September. Rain chances today, 30%, but you can see it's just climbing that ladder like a roller coaster. We head up to 70% on Thursday and then back down Saturday. So expect a chance for rain every single day, and there are several different reasons for that. First, we've got Fred to the south. We've got a stationary boundary that's over us right now, and you can't see it at the time, but there is a low pressure system in Canada that is just headed our way. Obviously, it's hurricane season, which means we're going to have a couple of issues. We got Fred right now in the Gulf, but it is going to be heading a little bit more further east. We may see some rain, but it's mostly Georgia and eastern Tennessee. But Grace about to devastate Haiti, that just saw a 7.2 massive earthquake. It's headed towards the Yucatan. So if you're heading in those areas, the Gulf of Florida or our area, or the Yucatan area of Mexico, that's where you need to stay alert. Here's a look at our hour by hour again today, this afternoon. Again, pop-up showers when it's in the daytime heating, carries us into the evening as it continues to travel towards the west, but then it kind of fizzles out. So that's kind of what we're looking at today. We'll see more rain chances as we get through the rest of the week, as you can see. Nothing really else to that except that the rest of the days will probably feel closer to about 100 degrees.